Good morning, good morning. Happy Sabbath. Uh-oh. I see somebody trying to eat some hay. She getting her hay on. She's getting some energy. Good job. I hear some people outside. Hey, this man. Hey, partner, why are you outside?
I'm watching
So you watching TV outside? What are you watching?
Toy Story 3.
Oh, Toy Story 3. Howdy, partner. Okay. What y'all got going on? Alright, good morning, you guys. So, they kind of got the hay thing going on here. So it looks like it's still going to be a little too small for what we need. So, yeah. He's going to put this tarp on top. That other one, I guess. I want to go ahead. This is working out pretty well for what I need it for. It's been standing pretty well. I'm going to go ahead and get some anchors. Uh-oh. I left screws on the floor. I'm going to go ahead and get some anchors. 4 anchors. And anchor all 4 corners. And then use this brace of it. This is a good, pretty good brace. I'm still trying to figure out. I watched a couple YouTube videos on the 5-gallon tank, how I'm gonna do it. And I'm gonna go ahead and drill a hole down here to let some water out when it overfills, and then I might even, be able to get another one for overflow. But I'm thinking about building something higher up for a 5-gallon bucket. I don't know. I'm still trying to decide if I build something higher up for a 5-gallon bucket. And let that be the feeder for it. We'll see. It's looking better back here. It's a little clean. Ruben, tomorrow I need you to get all these weeds up around the edges. Got to get this cleaned. So we're gonna go ahead and get some more soil to fill this bed. And once we get the soil to fill that bed, we'll take all this wood, extra wood, and get that put away. Again, Sabbath, so we're not doing anything. I don't want this leaned against there. Very dangerous. So yeah, we'll get this put away somewhere, broke it down and put away somehow, and then we'll start working on getting this area done up. How we're gonna do it. I'm gonna go around because I don't want to cross over. So alright, so he's watching Toy Story under a shade there. See, let's do a quick check on the garden. Let's see how that's working out. Sorry. Just waking up. So, yeah, it's looking good. Her kale is good. She has good markings. I think that's one of the things for my new hydro. Look at this, you guys. Look at the growth. So, we finally do have some fertilizer in here. We do have some fertilizer in there. And so things are starting to regrow. The pump is good. Pump is working. Water's flowing through. So, yeah. There's a bee. Good morning, Mr. B. He came to pollinate. So, yeah. Onions growing back there. Got some onions growing. So, sage growing, dill growing. So yeah, we got some new growth. Let me see. See if the water heater. Oh yeah, the water's getting down there. The water's getting down there. So yeah, we just let that be. See what it does, if anything. See what it does, if anything. And so what we're gonna do next week, yeah, I determined next week because I have to order this stuff, is that I'm going to fill this up with water and let that go ahead and get some more. See if we can get two drainings out of this. But we're gonna go ahead and just reuse our plastics. Obviously, going to go ahead and soak them in some bleach, get them cleaned out real good. Then reuse those, get some new Rockford here, and we're gonna go ahead and try to replant this. So this is 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got 120 plus. So yeah, it's actually, dang. So we got a lot of them. So we're not gonna overdo it this time. We're gonna let them actually grow. We're gonna get that other bed together, and in here on the bottom, 2, 4, 6. So let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 18, 36. So it's 36 spots at the bottom. So we're gonna move some of the ones that are growing down here into the open areas at the top, and then we're gonna just do 36 at the bottom, like smaller type plants. And what we're gonna do this time, I think what we'll do is since we have 9, do each child has a row. We'll give each child their own row. And the twins, we'll do like we did last time. And the twins will have to share with one of the older kids. But we'll do, give them each 9. So that means they'll have 3, maybe do 8. And then they'll have 4 pods left. And then we can plant those 4 in this bed here. We'll plant 4, let them plant 4 in this bed. And then 8 in the hydroponics and see how they kind of do. Alright, so let's go ahead and check in on the rabbits. I just showed you guys Olette is eating some of her hay, and she's trying to do some things. So I found some people online that did have their rabbits legs get messed up too, and you know, they just bandaged it up. So we're gonna do the same for her. We're gonna go ahead and try to bandage her up. Hey, good morning. Yeah, you got a little bit more energy. I see. So he gave her another bowl so she don't have to try to reach her head. Good morning, baby. Good morning. Yeah. Daddy's gonna fix you up as soon as the Sabbath is over. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is this evening when the sun goes down, go ahead and go to maybe Petco, PetSmart, or check with Walmart and see how they or what they have. Good morning. You ran to Daddy. Yeah, you ran. Good morning. Daddy needs to check on. Ooh, Ruben. Never mind. Oh, you peed right there. I just seen you. So you're peeing on that edge right there. You're peeing on that edge right there. That's how it's getting on the ground. You guys don't have any water in here. I don't know what this sludge is. Hey, Mama. How is this? So they can eat on plastic. Oh my goodness. So they have numbers in their ears. You guys seen us do? They have numbers in their ears. Let's see if it stayed. Yeah, this is number 5. All right. Hey, this is number 5. Take that box out of there, so they're not really using it. Take that box out of there. Get you guys some more water. Get you some hay. King, your cage needs to be cleaned out too. The cage needs to be cleaned out. You have food. Somebody fed you this morning. Somebody fed you this morning. Ruben, you fed them this morning? Huh? Okay. Has Reagan been out here? She didn't sleep? Okay. Get them fed. What are you doing back here? Alright, so we're gonna get them all fed. Get them some hay. Get them some fresh, clean water. And while I'm thinking about it, I'm gonna go ahead and check on the babies. Go ahead and check on the babies. So we got some lettuce growing here. I can see it's starting to come up. So let's check on the babies. I have a fear that one of them is. What the heck is that? I have a fear that one of them is might not have made it. She had 9. We lost 1 already. A chunker one at that. That's what got me crazy. We lost a chunker one at that. Whatever happens, at least we'll all be. So it wasn't that she didn't feed it. I don't know if he got smushed or what.
Yes, sir.
Good morning. You want some hay?
Yeah.
Not leaving until Friday.
Come on.
Probably, yeah. Trash. Why do you still have these toys? Well, out of my room. In my day, it's fine. Molly, you're not up to this. You have more toys than you know what to do with. Some of them the other kids really happy. What kids? The children in daycare. They're always asking for information. Show buttons. You choose the toys you want to donate. I'll drop them off at Sunnyside.
We're gonna close that up because, as we seen, she got out the other day and made it with Kingman again. So there's like another hole she dug here. Gotta check all around with her. Alright, so we're gonna get these guys out and make sure. Alright, they're getting nice and big. 4 days old. Yeah, nice and big. How you doing? How you doing? Just making sure we don't have no dead ones back here. That's 2. Nice and big. Hey, buddy. Come see this one. Come see the babies. Come see the baby. Don't be scared. It's just a baby. Touch it. Like this. Go ahead. It's a baby. I'm gonna take out the kit so you can pet those.
The ears coming.
Yeah, their ears are up. Alright, so that's 2. I'm gonna take it out so you can pet them. Don't mess with them yet. That's number 3. Here's number 4. So she's feeding now. They're nice and big and hairy. So this one got like a brownish color to it. 4. This is a runt. 5. 6. Come on. 2 more. Just need 2 more live ones. This one's very fat. 7. Look at it. So fat. 7. Come on. So. Yeah, the other one's smushed back here dead. So sad. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 and 7 so far. This one, like you can see, was pretty large. This is actually probably one of the bigger ones. And sorry for those of you that don't want to see that, but that one was pretty large and it died still. So it's never the size that she's not taking care of them. Want to help me water? Want to help me get them water? So yeah, it's never the size, but that she's not taking care of them. How did they have plastic wrappers in their cage? These flies are annoying. Go wash this out over there. I don't know what that is. Wash it out good. Freaking bird. Johnny, go throw this away in the house. So yeah, we're gonna get them some clean water.
Hold on. This is no time to be hysterical. It's the perfect time to be hysterical. We need hysterical now.
Don't let it be too powerful. You gotta turn it on first. It ain't gonna just come out. There you go, that's enough. Don't need to be too much. So I told you, yeah, clean it out. Oh, a little bit more powerful. Okay, throw that water out. Let me see. Is there anything in it? Okay, spray it out a little bit more. Okay, spray this one out, and then fill up those water jugs. Wait, I'm gonna take it out for you, buddy. Don't pet them yet. Daddy's gonna take them out.
Okay, out of the box. Everyone, right now. Come on, Buzz. Come here. We gotta get this thing working.
Come over here. You can pet them while she's up here. Right here, let's go get in the grass so they don't jump down. Fill up those water jugs so we can give them fresh water. Come sit in the grass and you gotta watch them. Sit down so I can put them in your lap. Over here in the sun. The water containers that we feed them with, that we water them with. Put it over your legs. Over your legs. No, open them wide so she can sit. Open that leg. Open it. Move it. There you go. Pet it.
All right, calm down.
So he's autistic, so this is like a good sensory thing for him. Teaching him to be soft and nice. You like it? What number is in his ear? What number is this? Let's see what.
1.
This is number 1. Good job.
There's number 2.
No, that's rabbit number 1. That's baby rabbit number 1.
Simba.
Simba. Fill them both up and put them right there so I'll water them. You see him? You done playing with him? You can pet him some more. You can pet him some more. He's not. He doesn't bite or nothing. He might scratch a little bit, but that's it.
Say hi, sweetie. Hey, how are your kids, Colleen and Libby? Not kids anymore.
1-month-old American chinchilla.
Sure they won't miss these? Nah, they never get
Achoo.
Alright. So yeah, that's it from the rabbit tree. So now we're down to 14. She's doing good. I've been in the forums and I've seen other people talking about how their rabbits ate all their babies on their first time. So, hey Bentley, your cage is clean today. Your cage is clean today. Be gentle. Don't get too loud. Gotta get them. Can't let them go under. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and put number 1 back in the cage, and then we're gonna get. Where's their water bowl at? Where's their water bowl at?
They're under there.
No. Might be one back there. Where's their water bowl, Ruben? Ruben, where's their white water bowl?
Over there.
Why is it over there? Oh, that's the one I took out? Oh, we're missing one. That one of those water things look like it has dirt in it. So I'll use this one, but this one, oh no, that's just water. That's just water. Take out Kingman's bowl. It needs to be cleaned out.
Mr. Loxo, do toys here get played with every day? All day long.
And clean, fresh water.
Well, now, okay. When the kids get old, new ones come in.
They have a lower one over here that they can get to. They drank all their water out of it. It was bone dry this morning. And so yeah, we create systems so we don't have to get inside of their cage to water them.
Because we're into toys. So you got donated by this candy, huh? Well, it's his fault.
There you go, Mama. So yeah, we make systems where they can't. I'm gonna change out his tip to this thing. Excuse me. Change out the tip to what they're gonna be using over in the rabbit hutches. I don't know how that came out. To what they're gonna be using over at the rabbit hutches for these. They might all get these, but as of right now, they're gonna just use their water bowls. And then tonight also, I want you to clean out all that veggies that he didn't eat. So we're gonna get him some hay, get her some more food, and then they should be done. They should be done. We're still getting cleaned up back here. But for the most part, this is our farm. Happy Sabbath again. Oh, I wanted to show you guys something. I got me a treat that Jesus told me to buy. Yep, got my own ram's horn. Thumbnail. So yeah, I got my own ram's horn. I don't know how to blow it yet, but God's going to teach me. Nothing. So let's try. Come on, Jesus, work with me. Nothing. You want to try? You got to blow on the outside. Put your lips together real tight. Blow on the outside. Blow. Like this, like Daddy. Look at Daddy. And blow hard. So we're gonna learn. Jesus is gonna teach us. It was a little something. They say do it like an elephant. Make an elephant noise before you do it. But I can't even make an elephant noise. I'm too early. So it's not necessarily a blow in like that. It's more of a put your lips together and do it. So I'm going to get this before our Sabbath. I mean, before our classes, our church classes start today. Because we play that every Sabbath for them to know to come downstairs. And so I'm going to play it, my personal ones today. I'm going to play a little bit. But it's going to take some practice. So, alright, other than that, it's RB King signing out, saying glory to God. Family Farms loves you. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and share our channel. Go ahead and give them a slap, Ruben. Say, see you later.
See you later.